What are burner credit cards and why you need them? 1. Introduction: Why burner credit cards matter. In this video, I'm going to discuss what burner credit cards are, why they are essential in protecting your privacy, and how you can start using them immediately after watching. This is not a sponsored video, and I have no affiliation with any company mentioned. Burner credit cards serve as a crucial tool in safeguarding your personal information when making online or in-person purchases. Let's dive into the details of how they work and why they are more important than ever. Footnote: This section introduces burner credit cards as a tool for privacy protection when making purchases. 2. What is a burner credit card? A burner credit card is a temporary credit card number that is linked to your real credit card account but is separate in terms of its use. It allows you to make purchases without revealing your actual credit card number. Think of it as a protective layer between your actual account and the online or physical merchant. Unlike traditional credit cards, burner cards help minimize your personal data exposure. When you make a transaction, the merchant only sees the burner card details, not your real credit card number. Footnote: Burner credit cards are designed to protect your real credit card information during purchases by using temporary, disposable numbers. 3. The dangers of traditional credit cards and data breaches. Every time you use your credit or debit card, whether in person or online, you expose sensitive data to multiple parties. For example, your card number may be stored by companies, leaving it vulnerable to data breaches. In fact, hundreds of millions of personal credit card details have been compromised due to these breaches. Merchants, banks, and even data brokers use this information to track your spending habits, which could be sold to other companies, including intelligence agencies, without your consent. Footnote: This section explains how using a regular credit card can expose your personal data and make you vulnerable to data breaches and surveillance. 4. Surveillance capitalism and privacy concerns. The rise of surveillance capitalism is a major privacy concern. This term refers to how corporations use your personal data to predict and influence your behavior. Companies often collect data about your shopping habits, where you spend money, and how often. This data is then sold to marketers or used for surveillance purposes. With burner credit cards, you can mitigate some of this data collection, making it harder for companies to track you. Footnote: Surveillance capitalism is when corporations sell or use your data to predict and influence your behavior, which burner credit cards can help protect against. 5. How burner credit cards work, protecting your privacy. When you use a burner credit card, the merchant only receives the burner card's details, not your actual card number. This means that if the merchant gets hacked or sells your data to third parties, they only have the burner card's information, not your real account information. Apps like MySudo and Privacy.com allow you to generate burner cards. These apps act as middlemen between your bank or credit card company and the merchants, ensuring that your real card details are never shared. Footnote: Burner credit cards protect your real credit card number by acting as intermediaries between your bank and the merchant. 6. MySudo versus Privacy.com. Key differences. Let's compare two major players in the burner credit card space, MySudo and Privacy.com. MySudo offers a comprehensive privacy suite, including burner phone numbers, emails, and virtual credit cards. It provides 4 different plans, ranging from free to $150 per year, and charges a 2.99% fee plus 31 cents per transaction. Privacy.com, on the other hand, is a simpler, standalone app focused on virtual cards. It offers plans starting at $5 per month, with no fees for domestic purchases, and a 3% fee for foreign transactions. Both services allow you to create virtual cards that offer greater control and privacy than traditional credit cards. Footnote: This section compares the features of MySudo and Privacy.com, both offering virtual credit card services with different fee structures and privacy features. 7. How burner cards help with data privacy. Burner credit cards are a great tool to fight back against surveillance capitalism. By using a burner card, you minimize the data shared with merchants, reducing the chances of your data being sold to third-party companies or government agencies. While burner cards don't solve all privacy concerns, they provide a practical method to reduce exposure when making online purchases or using store loyalty programs. Footnote: burner credit cards help mitigate data collection by minimizing the amount of personal information shared with merchants and third parties. 8. Why you should use burner credit cards. Using a burner credit card can protect you from the risks associated with data breaches and the tracking of your personal data. They're particularly useful for online shopping, where the risks of data theft are highest. By using a burner card, you ensure that your real credit card details are never exposed, helping to preserve your privacy. Footnote: burner credit cards are an effective tool for protecting your privacy during online transactions and preventing your data from being exposed. 9. Conclusion: take control of your privacy with burner cards. In conclusion, burner credit cards are a simple yet powerful tool to protect your privacy. Whether you're concerned about data breaches, surveillance capitalism, or simply don't want your purchases tracked, burner cards give you greater control over your personal information. If you're serious about protecting your data and privacy, consider using a burner credit card for your next purchase. Footnote: this section emphasizes how burner credit cards can help protect privacy and control personal information.